Get into a car with value. 2009 Honda Accord. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This Accord will dazzle you with its perfect blend of comfort, safety, connectivity, spaciousness, performance, and elegant style. It's no wonder the Accord has become an industry icon. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, bucket seats. Quietly powerful, boldly beautiful, simply excellent. The Honda Accord.